Attention passengers! Yellow fever vaccination payment is now done through online mode via the BharatKosh portal. Please note that the payments made through the BharatKosh portal are non-refundable. Before making the payment, please ensure that you meet all the eligibility requirements for receiving the yellow fever vaccination, including the required documents and health conditions. Please follow the given steps to complete your payment successfully and avoid any delay in the vaccination process. Search BharatKosh on Google and click on the official website link. On the website, select Quick Payment/Non-Registered Users to continue without logging in. The depositor category will be set to individual by default. Leave it as it is. Click on the search icon next to the purpose field to select the purpose of payment. From the list, select Ministry of Health and Family Welfare as the ministry. In purpose field, type yellow fever, and from the list that appears, select the yellow fever vaccination option. Then click on Search button. From the list displayed below, click on Yellow Fever Vaccination. Ensure that the payment type is service and service charges. In Drawing and Dispersing Office, select Airport Health Organization Bombay from the drop-down list. Enter the vaccination charges in the amount field. You can also pay together for multiple people to save time and avoid paying again. Here we are entering 1 rupee only for demonstration purposes. In the remark field, write all passport numbers of individual who is paying for vaccination. Enter the CAPTCHA and click on Add. Scroll down to verify all the details and click on Next. Please fill in all your personal details such as name, address, mobile number, email, etc. as required. Then click on Next to proceed for next step. Cross-check all your personal details to ensure accuracy. Then click on Confirm to proceed to the payment page. Choose your preferred payment method, UPI, net banking, credit card, etc. In this guide, we are proceeding with the UPI option as it is easiest among all other options and used by most of the people. Enter the CAPTCHA code displayed on the screen, then click on Pay to initiate the payment process. You can put UPI ID or mobile number, or generate the QR code on PC. And if you are using mobile phone, you can directly select the UPI app, or can also put the UPI ID to get the payment request. Once the payment is reflected on the website, get the screenshot of e-acknowledgement without getting out of website, and then press Continue. Then follow the steps shown on screen to download the transaction receipt. We appreciate your cooperation in ensuring a smooth and timely vaccination process. Thank you.